Yes.
Hi all, well it's 2022 Model Expo, and as our normal tradition is, we've got something to show you. It's either a test shot or a new build or something like that. This time we've got going to show you the new Infinity Models Vampire in 30-second scale. And there she is. Now we haven't got all of it, this is only the test shot, so you have to have a look at, allow the fact that we haven't got all the parts here, but at least it gives you an idea. First up, something very innovative that they've done. The upper wing is already attached to the fuselage, so you don't have to worry about wing joins and things like that. That's the lower wing, that's part of the tailplane. This is all cockpit parts and things like that, the front end. Detail inside for your wheel well, so that's all pretty good. The detail on the wings is really good. There has been some comment about the amount of rivets. I think it'll be up to the personal taste of the model, how far he wants to go and what he wants to do it. But as a basic finish, really, really nice. This is part of your cockpit. You've got 2 instrument panels, different wheels, things like that. So there's all those sort of things. It's pretty cool. That's the tailplanes, pretty solid. Part of the cockpit again, drop tanks of some sort. So there you go, so there's the fins. Deckle wise, you've got 3 choices of markings. You've got Canadian, British and Swedish, so you're going to have a good choice there. Pretty solid amount of markings for it, so that's pretty cool. And also will be available for it will be a mask set to go on the very, very clear canopy set. So all the detail looks really, really good. The canopy's crystal clear, very nicely done. And as I said, there's your mask set. So this should be here, hopefully, fingers crossed, we should be seeing it in about 6 weeks' time. On the system at the moment, we don't have a price, but we'll let you know as soon as possible. So there's our special surprise for this hobby show. Have a great day. We're still open all day tomorrow until 5 today. Drop down and see us. See you guys. Have a great day.